So if you drive a cargo van, your rearview mirror is basically useless, until this. The WOLFBOX G900 Pro Mirrored Dashcam. This features a front 4K and a rear 2.5K setup using the Sony IMX678 sensor with 8 megapixels, which not only improves the daytime detail but is also designed to perform better in low light driving. It runs on 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi so you can quickly download clips to your phone, and it also supports voice control for hands-free operation. So here it is, all now installed. It is very bright, very vivid, very sharp. Swiping through gives us the backup camera, the front, as well as a split screen. And in the top left corner, we can see it's recording 4K and 2.5K in the rear. As I showed earlier, I did run these 3 wires through the OEM module for a clean look. Here we can stop the recording or start, as well as adjust the brightness. Here we can also switch between the cameras. Here we can take a picture. This button here will lock the current video in case something happens. We can exit out of emergency. This here we can watch our playbacks. So in preview we can see the front camera recordings as well as the back camera recordings, which is nice to sort out all your files, as well as the locked videos and our photos. Do have enable voice and disable voice. And in settings we can go through resolution, adjust these, as well as display modes. I like to keep mine on split screen. And then we do have sound record, which we can turn on and off from here as well. We do have loop recording. I have mine set to every minute. And here we also do have G sensor sensitivity. This is if you have it hardwired. And then we do have fatigue reminder. I have mine set to off. We have Wi-Fi, which we can connect with our phones to see the footage. We have the volume settings. Let's turn ours to low. We do have the click tone. Let's disable that one. We do also have a screensaver. I have mine to off. Screen brightness as well in here. Very quick and responsive. Exposure for the front camera, I just keep it at 0. Going more down, we do have voice control. We can enable it, disable it, and see the voice commands. So we can say things like lock the video, turn on Wi-Fi, show front camera. Very helpful for when you're driving. This here we can mirror flip the camera, as well as we can flip the backup camera. We do have the reversing lines. I like to have mine on full screen display. We do also have the time display. I will turn mine off. The GPS display, as well as the date stamp and the speed stamp. GPS stamp. We will get speed unit, miles per hour, as well as our language here. Many languages to choose from. Clock settings. We can also change the time format and the time style, time zone. We do also have settings for DST, flicker. I keep mine on 60. And then we do have help center, as well as options for reminding to format our card. And we can also format the card straight from here. Reset. We do also have the app QR code if you want to download and see it on there, as well as product info. So now I will go back and show you guys that the screen now is very clean. No labels on this side as well as this side. And here's how it looks from the driver's position. Very easily accessible, sharp quality. And now I will show you guys some footage.